heart beats fast, colors and promises. How to be brave, how can I love when I'm afraid to fall? But watching you stand alone, all of my doubt suddenly goes away somehow. One step closer. I have died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more. Time stands still, beauty in all she is. I will be brave, I will not let anything take away what's standing in front of me. Every breath, every hour has come to this. One step closer. I have died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more. And all along I believed I would find you. Time has brought your heart to me. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more. One step closer. One step closer. I have died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more. And all along I believed I would find you. And time has brought your heart to me. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more. One step closer. One step closer.
Paalam siya, di ka pa handa. Bumabaha sa iyong unan. Anong gusto mong mangyari? Wala ka ngang masabi. Dahil bigla bang nawala, papawiin na ang luha. Hindi kita pababayaan. Aalalayan ka hanggang sa pabayaan. Aalalayan ka hanggang sa mawala ang sakit na nararamdaman. Ano ba ang diskarte? Gusto ko lang masabi na okay.
Dear fourth year, shine bright like a diamond in the stars. For 10 months being together in one room, we've built a good relationship, not only a sure advisor, but a sure mother. Thank you for being such wonderful students to me. Thank you for being responsible, obedient, and a good follower. Thank you for being thoughtful, reminding me always not to drink soft drink because it's not good for my health. But I'm a kanda pasaway. Mamimiss ko yung time ng lunch natin na nagkukwentuhan kayo at kung minsan nagkikisali ako. That is where I know you better, guys. Mamimiss ko yung Wednesday cleaners. Kasi si Jeff, pag naglinis yan, tanggal lahat ng kalat sa room. Ultimo locker, maayos. Ganyan maglinis si Kuya Jeff nila. Iyong mga pasaway ko, you know who you are. Ganun naman talaga sa pamilya. Hindi laging perfect, but it doesn't mean you are left out. Remember, we're one family. Kenji, I'll miss your sweetness. Makulit pero sweet. I remember nung Jays natin while we were dancing together, you asked me to describe you and I told you these 2 words. Yumakap ka sa akin at papaluha ka. Touch naman ako doon. Alfred, Wendell, Clifford, Vince, and Keith, continue to hone your talents. Kayo ang pag-asa ng bansa sa larangan ng sports. Justin and Christian, I know you were competing up to the last quarter of the school year. I'm happy because you still remain good friends. Keep it up. Kay Joseph, thank you dahil sa pagpapahiram mo ng gamit. Sana makita mo na ang hinahanap mong atensyon. Alam mo na yun. Brian and Lourdes, sabihin naman nilang may sarili kayong mundo. I think that is where you find peace. Walang pakialaman, di ba? Charles, get out of your shell. Alam ko na may bubuga ka pa. Josa, ang bratinela ng klase. You're sweet like Kenji, kaya siguro kayo nag-match together. I'll miss these words. I love you, Mom. Trisha, I like her being frank. May pagkamataray nga lang sometimes. Mika, such a quiet girl, pero may tinatago palang talento. Explore, baka dyan ka sumikat at yamaman. Ana, manang ang dating mo pero ang totoo, baby girl ka pa pala. Pat, Syla, Det, alam ko ay tahimik kayo, pero bungis-bungis din pala. Sa mga cool and sexy girls ko, love yourself. Pag nagdebut kayo, don't forget us, your teachers. Sana, yung mga naituro ko sa inyo ay magamit sa pagkamit ng inyong mga pangarap. Remember, yung pinasagot ko sa inyong exam? No matter what, follow your dreams. Make your adversity as a challenge at the same time as an inspiration to achieve your goals. Chasing a dream requires efforts, passion, and hard work. You are now in the half. Keep up your good work and continue to strive. May God's graces be with you as you step ahead towards your dreams. Keep the courage as you face new challenges in life. Congratulations on your graduation day, Batch 2014. I'll miss you all. Love, Teacher Ellen.
You're not alone, together we stand. I'll be by your side, you know I'll take your hand. When it gets cold and it feels like the end, there's no place to go. You know I won't give in. No, I won't give in. Keep holding on, 'cause you know we'll make it through, we'll make it through. Just stay strong, 'cause you know I'm here for you, I'm here for you. There's nothing you could say, nothing you could do. There's no other way when it comes to the truth. So keep holding on, 'cause you know we'll make it through, we'll make it through. So far away, I wish you were here. Before it's too late, this could all disappear. Before the doors close and it comes to an end, with you by my side, I will fight and defend. I'll fight and defend. Yeah, yeah. Keep holding on, 'cause you know we'll make it through, we'll make it through. Just stay strong, 'cause you know I'm here